Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making colorful unicorn milkshakes. To decorate these bad boys, you're going to need loads of sprinkles, frosting, whipped cream, can be homemade or store-bought, whichever your preference is, and tons of colorful candy and cereal. To decorate my first glass, I'm going to put some frosting in a piping bag and pipe the rim of my glass. Once it's all kind of flattened out, or however high or low you want to take it, go ahead and run the frosting rim in some sprinkles and pop it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's solid for you. To decorate my next glass, I'm going to kind of do a cool splattered paint effect by melting some of those colored chocolate things that you can find from Michael's. I'm going to use a plastic butter knife to just kind of spread it throughout the glass and make some cool looking art. You'll want to let this sit in the fridge as well for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it gets solid. Now for your milkshake recipe. So for your traditional vanilla milkshake or your base milkshake, you're going to use 4 scoops of vanilla ice cream, a cup of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. For your cake batter one, you're going to use the same base recipe, but you're going to add a half cup of Funfetti mix. If you can't find Funfetti cake mix, you can also use just your standard yellow cake mix and add tons of sprinkles into it. You're going to blend everything together until you get the consistency you like, and go ahead and pour it into your pretty glass. Once your milkshake is all complete, go ahead and decorate it with whipped cream, cereal, candy, sprinkles, whatever you like. This recipe is only 1 serving, so if you have guests over or this is for a party, then you'll want to double it, triple, quadruple the recipe. However many people are coming, go ahead and just do the math on it. And that's it. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for future videos. And if you're on Instagram, please tag me. I'll leave all my information in the description box. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.